Why ask me? Hello everyone, Callie Storm Doll here, and today we're going into the world of LOL OMG movie magic. We have the 25 surprises. We get the Tough Dude doll and Pink Chick. Now what's interesting about this set is that this is a $50+ set that I did get for $25 from Walmart app. So if you guys want to check out the Walmart app, they were selling this for $25. And if you have any coupons, you can use them upon exit. So you may end up paying $12 or $13 for this doll too. So I did pre-cut it because this is a really big set. And it looks like I didn't pre-cut enough. But this is supposed to be a movie date. So they give you those instructions there. And then when you turn it on this side, it looks like it's just a blue background. So it looks like we can take these instructions off. And then it reveals. Okay, so it took me a few minutes, but I finally got it open. So if we turn it this way, let's take a look. If we turn it this way, it looks like it's some type of diorama for the couple in the parking lot. And if we turn it this way, it looks like there's an intermission, and you can see that the couple is enjoying popcorn. So this is a pretty big set. This is my hand, and this is the whole set. So on this side, we know that Pink Chick is going to be in this side with the flowers and the pinkness. So it says video cassette, that's going to be her. And then HQ video cassette, that's going to be him, the guy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get everything unpackaged and come back. That was a lot to me trying to figure this out. So anything interesting, you know I'm going to come back and tell you guys. So here is a look at the back of the display that Pink Chick comes with. And it looks like it's inside of some type of diner or something like that. MC Swag was here, of course. We have the little container for the glasses. And this is the background for Tough Dude. And you can see they have the movie time. They have Honey, I Shrunk the BBs, Laugh, Then You Cry, LL Surprise. So this is very, very cute. I just wanted to show you guys the back of their packaging. All right, we are back with Pink Chick and Tough Dude. Yeah. So we have them here, and we're gonna open up all their surprises. So this, I think, is actually for us. I believe these are the 3D shades for those of you who are interested. These are the luxurious 3D shades. I personally, I could leave them or take them. You know me, leave them or takey. Between both of the dolls, they give us one pearlescent brush. We get this little movie reel thing. So it's Punk Girl and Rocker Boy. And then we have Tough Dude and Pink Chick, So they're actually watching them on the big screen like that. So that's something else that's really cool. They come with this little pamphlet, Tough Dude and Pink Chick. And then it's the LOLville reporter. So maybe these two are like local actors or some sort. So you can see they have lyrics in there. It says, hair looking, fly, hopping, let's go. And you guys can read the rest. I'll pause that. So it looks like maybe there's some type of song or something in a movie that they're going to be a part of. It looks really cool. So this is the bag that Tough Dude comes with. So let's open this up. Ooh, and it looks like we get a separate shirt that we will be trying on him. And this is a bag that came with Pink Chick. Ooh, and this is the secondary outfit she came with, looking very spicy for her date night. So this is another bag that came with Pink Chick. Oh my god, this is so cute. So this is the paper. It has all these little glasses. And this is so cute. It comes with popcorn and drinks. And like the straw is squishy and the cup is squishy. And this is so cute. Oh my god, I love date nights. Oh. So this came with Pink Chick. And it's just a gray box. So it's the same paper. So it looks like it comes with their own version of the 3D glasses. It looks like it comes with, and here is the bracelets that come with Pink Chick. You can see this necklace, and it looks like some earrings, and I did drop them, but I found them. And over here, it looks like we have a we have a pair of 3D glasses for Tough Dude, and it looks like we also get some earrings. So we have the dice earring, we have the circle earring, and we have this really cool necklace. So we have everything unboxed. Now let's check out the dolls. Pink Chick, straight out of the packaging, and we can start with her shoes. She comes with these dark pink shoes. They're black zip-up heels. And these are shoes I believe we have seen before. She comes with polka dot stockings, and her dress is a one piece, but it does have layers to it, as you can see. Strapless, not strapless, sleeveless, but it has lace at the top, it has a bow in the middle. She's wearing a pink, black, and white jacket. Her nails, of course, are pink. So pretty. And her hair is mostly blonde, but it does have a pink streak right in the back. Now, as far as her hair goes, it is in a ponytail, which some may say is a simpler style, but it's in a ponytail. Then her ends are curled. Then the sides, there's more curls coming down, and then she has the two little ringlets coming down on each side, and the ringlets are actually attached to the jacket. When it comes to her face makeup, you can see she does have the brown eyes, and she has some purple eyeshadow. She has brown eyebrows, and for the most part, it's a really simple look for me. Like, she's not like extravagant when it comes to the makeup. It's definitely a simple look. So now we can look over Tough Dude, which for some people was the draw for this 2-pack. For me personally, I wasn't interested at all. I planned on completely passing this set, but from what, $55 down to $25, yeah, I think I'll check it out. So you can see these are his shoes, his sneakers, and it looks like they did give us some socks, which is really cool. His jeans are distressed, and you can see they have the suspenders on the sides, and they also have the little handkerchief on the side as well. Has the broken heart symbols on the back of his pockets. Definitely giving Grease nostalgia. If you guys ever saw that, it's either from the 80s or 90s. It's called Grease. And this is his jacket. It says OMG. And on this side, what does it says? I'm not sure. Extra. Oh, extra OMG. Okay, cool. So he admits that he's a little extra. And this is a faux leather jacket, and it does say Racing Heart on the back with the heart, and it looks like some type of like gauge, like it's for how fast his heart can go. Wow, maybe he's like a street racer. So as far as his face up goes, he does have blue eyes. They did give him some blushing on his cheeks. He kind of reminds me of an Elvis doll, but he is a darker complector. So if I hold Pink Chick next to him, you can see her skin tone compared to his. He is a little bit darker. Now his hair does have flocking all around it. And at the top, I'll bring you guys in closer. His hair is kind of curly, mohawk style, which we all are familiar with when it comes to these boy dolls, but his hair is like a deep brown, and then besides the brown, he has like a streak of pink. So that's what this couple has in common, like both of them were given a streak of pink. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna switch up their looks a little bit. I'm gonna incorporate their secondary pieces, and we're gonna see what outfit changes they have, this date night couple. We'll be right back. And I think they look so cute. Like, I really like this shirt on him. I love his necklace. He has some really cool earrings. I think he's really cute. I think his character could possibly be Native American. Yeah, that's what he's gonna be in my dolly world, Native American. So he's really cute. And then we have Pink Chick coming up with all the snacks, of course. She said, I brought a snack of my own. Yes. So her secondary look are these cute black hot pants. They look so cute. She has a black top with pink and silver in it. Her necklace with choker combo. Then she has on her hoop earrings. And her 3D glasses look so cute on her. She looks just like a doll. So overall, I think this secondary look is definitely worthy of a date night, and I'm so happy that I was able to get these two. I'm going to tell you guys, for any gift givers or doll collectors who watch me, $25 for all this is not bad. Now, for the original price, what was it, 50 something? I would have been way more critical. $25, that's a $20 bill and then 5 ones. Yeah, this is a pretty cool set, and I think if anyone's interested, especially because it's the holidays, this is definitely something you could check out. You're getting 2 dolls, and one of them is a male doll for those who like the male dolls, and you're getting some pretty cool props. These backgrounds are definitely something you can use time and time again. And then the packaging that they came in is a living playset. So I definitely think it's worth it. Comment below, will you be checking them out? Are you going to purchase them? Or is this going to be a pass for you? Let it be known in that comment section below. I have a personal goal on this channel. I'm trying to get to 5K. So if you could like, share, and subscribe, I would really, really appreciate it. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!